morning everyone. Today I will talk about Isospora Cryptosporidium cyclospora. Isospora villi is the only species that infect man, no other animal reservoir. Belong to family Sarcocystidae. Cryptosporidium is an intestinal coccidian parasite infecting animal and man. The cyclospora produce prolonged diarrhea in human. It is a coccidian parasite. So let's start the topic Isospora villi. Isospora villi, this is a villi form. Isospora is a coccidian parasite. It causes diarrhea. Firstly, it is described by Virchow 1816. Word villi was taken from the First World War because it is isolated from troops stationed in Middle East during wartime. Morphology: Oocyst of Isospora villi is elongated, ovate in shape. Size 25 micrometer into 15 micrometer. Wall of oocyst is a double layer. Immature oocyst contain two sporoblasts and found in feces of patient. On maturation of oocyst takes place outside the body. This is a mature sporoblast converted into sporocyst which contain four crescent-shaped sporozoids. This is the Isospora infective stage sporulated oocyst containing 8 sporozoids. Oocysts of Isospora villi immature form. Immature oocysts seen in the feces of patient contain two sporoblasts. Then on maturation, the sporoblast convert into sporocyst. Each sporocyst contain four crescent-shaped sporozoids. This is a sporulated oocysts containing 8 sporozoids. Is the infective stage of the parasite. Now coming life cycle. Isospora complete its life cycle in one host. That is man. Man gets infection by ingestion of food and water contaminated with sporulated oocysts. When a sporulated oocyst is swallowed, 8 sporozoids are released from the two sporocysts in the small intestine and invade the intestinal epithelial cells. In the epithelial cells, the sporozoids transfer into trophozoids, which multiply asexually and produce number of merozoites. The merozoites invade adjacent epithelial cells to repeat asexual cycle. That's why some trophozoites undergo sexual cycle in the cytoplasm of enterocyst and transfer into microgametocytes and microgametocytes. After fertilization, a zygote is formed which secretes cyst wall and develop into immature oocysts, which again excreted in feces. Diagnosis stage is a oocyst in feces. Then infective stage is a mature oocysts with sporozoites. In the epithelium cells, the sporozoids transfer into trophozoites, which multiply asexually to produce a number of merozoites. Then trophozoites undergo sexual cycle in the cytoplasm of enterocytes, transfer into microcytes and microcytes. So then after fertilization, zygote formed which secrete a cyst wall and develop into immature oocysts. Immature oocysts, it is a infective stage. Incubation period 1 to 4 days. Clinical features, that is generally infection is asymptomatic. Clinical illness, so abdominal discomfort, mild diarrhea, watery, does not contain blood and pus. Self-limiting fever, malabsorption in immunocompromised patient diarrhea may last for several years. Now come in laboratory diagnosis. Microscopy demonstration of the large, typically shaped oocyst is the basis of diagnosis. Due to small amount of oocysts in stool, repeated stool examination and concentration procedure are recommended. On negative stool examination, small bowel specimen, duodenal spirates may be helpful. In stool examination is a negative negative stool examination. That why Intero test is recommended. Intero test it is also known as sting test and duodenal parasite test. Intero test is a simple and concurrent method of gastrointestinal fluid. This form, the sample is examined to detect the presence of gastrointestinal parasite or any other enteric pathogens. Example for that's why highly observant nylon string used for this test. Whenever the test is performed, a physician suspected parasite infection, but no parasite were found in a stool sample. As it's sensitive is comparable to duodenal aspirate, it eliminates the needs of duodenal intubation. The oocysts can be visualized on bed mount by bright field microscopy, that is a fluorescent stain smear by auramine or rhodamine stain. Oocysts can also be stained by modified acid-fast stain. Acid-fast stain smear uniformly acid-fast, oval, uh, elliptical size, surrounded by thin, smooth two-layer cyst wall. Treatment: infection is a self-limiting in case of immunocompetent patient. Immunodeficiency patient with diarrhea and excreting oocysts in the feces should be treated with cotrimoxazole 2 tablets 4 times per day for 10 days followed by 2 tablets 2 times per day for 3 weeks. Pyrimethamine 50 to 75 mg per day is given in case of CO2 intolerance. That's why Cryptosporidium parabum. Cryptosporidium were first observed in the gastric mucosal cryptus of laboratory mice by Tager in 1907. It is a diarrhea-causing pathogens habitat to small intestine, stomach, appendix, colon, rectum, and pulmonary tree. Infective form stage, oocyst stage, morphology. That's why oocysts spherical or oval, 50 micrometer in diameter. Wall of oocysts may be thick and thin. Oocysts contain 4 crescent-shaped sporozoites. Oocysts of acid-fast staining and Schaden staining. It is the infective form to manage as the diagnostic form excreted in the feces. The oocysts are acid-fast stain in nature but don't stain by iodine. They are extremely resistant to routine chlorination, heat, and other disinfectants. It is a round, small size surrounded by a cyst ball and bears 4 sporozoites. Then each sporozoite is crescentic shaped with pointed anterior and blunt posterior and nucleus located posteriorly. Two types of oocysts are demonstrated: thick-walled and thin-walled. Thick-walled oocysts contain 2 electrodense cyst wall, outer uniformly thick, and thin-walled oocyst surrounded by single-layered membrane. Life cycle host single man, reservoir man, cattle, cat, and dog. Mode of transmission: ingestion of contaminated food and water, auto-infection, infective form stage, sporulated oocyst stage, incubation period 2 to 4 days, two phases, sexual and asexual. Life cycle of oocyst evolve. For oocyst sporulated, oocysts contain four sporozoites which are released in the intestine. The sporozoites develop into pupozoites within parasitophorous vacuoles in the pus border of the intestine. Pus border sporozoites released attached to the pus border epithelium of intestine. The tophozoites undergo asexual multiplication to produce type first meroids. Eight, that's why eight merozoites are released from each type first meroid. These merozoites enter adjacent epithelium cells to repeat zygogony or form type 2 meroids, which undergo gametogony. Four merozoites are released from each type second meroid. The merozoites enter host cells to form sexual stage, microgamete and microgamete. After fertilization, the zygote format develop into the oocysts. Oocysts sporogony to form sporulated oocysts. Thin-walled and thick-walled. Thin-walled, thick-walled sporulated oocysts in feces and thin-walled oocysts in feces passed in feces. Then autoinfection. Autoinfection cystration occurs in the small intestine, released the sporozoites. Pathogenicity and clinical features. In healthy immunocompetent person, infection is self-limiting. It can cause childhood and toddler's diarrhea. Also responsible for waterborne outbreak. In immunocompromised patient, it causes chronic, persistent, and profuse diarrhea. Biliary tract involvement causes upper right quadrant pain, sclerosing, and cholecystitis. Cryptosporidiasis is diarrheal disease. In most healthy people, a cryptosporidium infection produces a bout of watery diarrhea. That's why the infection usually goes away within a week or 2 weeks. If you have a compromised immune system, a cryptosporidium infection can become life-threatening without treatment. Laboratory diagnosis, stool examination by demonstration of oocyst in feces, histopathological examination. Cryptosporidium can also be identified by the light and electron microscopy. Serodiagnosis antibody can be demonstrated within 2 months of acute infection with the help of ELISA or immunofluorescence. Molecular diagnosis for seroepidemiological study, Western blot technique, it is employed by using 70 kDa and 27 kDa sporozoites antigen. That's why PCR technique had also been used. Treatment, no chemotherapeutic agent is effective. Nitazoxanide and paromomycin may be partially effective in AIDS patients. Suppurative therapy with food, electrolytes, and nutrient replacement is also used. Pathogenicity and clinical features. Incubation period 1 to 7 days. Acute chronic inflammation may give blunting and atrophy of villi and hyperplasia reflex. It causes prolonged diarrhea with abdominal pain, low-grade fever, and fatigue. Diagnosis by direct pit form demonstration of oocysts in cases. By acid fast staining. Then histopathology. Histopathology biopsy specimen from jejunum show bilious atrophy and blunting of villi along with other inflammatory changes. The parasite can also be seen in a small bowel biopsy by lateral microscopy. Treatment cyclosporosis is treated with a cotrimoxazole twice daily for 7 days. HIV patient, infected patient may be require long-term suppressive maintenance therapy.